How to enable energy recommendations in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to apply suggested settings to save power and extend battery life. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Power and Battery. At this point, scroll down and click on Energy Recommendations. In the next step, you'll see a list of suggested changes based on your specific hardware and current setup. Following this, these may include things like display brightness, screen timeout, sleep settings, or power mode. Once done, click on Apply next to any individual suggestion you want to use. From here, click on Apply All at the top if you'd like to accept every recommendation at once. At this stage, once applied, Windows automatically adjusts these settings without needing any further action from you. Keep in mind, the exact recommendations shown can vary depending on your device type and whether you're plugged in or running on battery. Finally, revisit this same page anytime you'd like to check for new recommendations or adjust previously applied settings manually. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable energy recommendations in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.